The WorkSharp guided sharpening system is different than ordinary sharpening stones. It's fast, precise, and easy to use. Precision angle guides establish a consistent sharpening angle, eliminating the guesswork. Pivot response technology successfully creates a consistent edge along the entire length of the blade. And it's a complete sharpening solution for every knife you own, in the shop and in the field. No other sharpening system comes close. So here's what you get. An easy way to successfully sharpen every knife you own. A quality tool, hand-assembled in Ashland, Oregon. A 42-year warranty, supported by the best customer service you'll never need. All for less than fueling up your truck. Visit WorkSharpTools.com to learn more.